Hey, Brian from Garage Mahal. Today I have a equipment trolley bag. Basically, it's an equipment bag, so if you have a lot of like ring lights and stands and everything else, you can kind of put it all in one bag and be able to move it around wherever you want, traveling and everything. I travel quite a bit, so this is like a good thing that I got. So let's open it up, see everything that we get inside, see how it works, and then should make my travel life a lot easier and hopefully yours. Okay, so it comes very well packed. And I think I have to kind of get it to come out this way. Get that box out of the way. Some noisy plastic. Okay, so this is it in its entirety. Pretty cool. So it has a Velcro handle. It has a little business card tag ID holder right there. So travel ready. It's got your double zipper here. So it opens up really nice and easy. And then you have a bunch, I'll show you, there's a bunch of different dividers in here, which is great. So you can keep everything kind of separated. And then you have some Velcro straps on the inside as well to help put everything in its place. And then all these dividers, they have Velcro on their ends, so I can kind of show you. Let's just reposition this one. Put that out, slide that in. And then basically you have two separate compartments there. So I like the fact that, like, especially when I'm going on the road, that I can fold up all my tripods and my ring lights and stuff like that and put them down in here, and they fit nice and good. I think I might have to take this off and put it flat, but that's an easy thing to do. And then we just kind of lay that a little bit flatter, not on a stand. And then again, we have this stand, collapses down, tripod legs up. Then I can put that onto the other side. So just kind of give you an idea. So, and that's just two stands. Obviously it'll hold a lot more in there. And then we can double zipper, zip everything nice and secure. And you got your handle here. And it can stand upright like this pretty easy. It's got the wheels on the bottom. It's got, bring this down to frame a little bit better, but it's got a handle on top. And then it has your trolley handle. So you can basically roll through the airport easy enough with that, or wherever you're going on location. But again, lots of room, lots of versatility, lots of different spacers and stuff in here so you can separate your equipment. Holds everything nice and secure. And to give you kind of an idea, you know, that's the size ring light that you can put in here. So it fits sitting up here like this, a little bit sideways. You can lay it down flat if you change the compartment. So if you have a bunch of different ring lights, you can basically set them up however you would like in there. You don't necessarily need this big divider. You have smaller dividers. So that's part of the nice versatility of that. So you have these little smaller pieces that you can basically set up across the bottom, caddy corner for some smaller items. Set them up. Caddy corner is like kind of like a blocking device on the inside there. You can even use this as a top piece to go down to really hold your equipment in place. So now you have the capability to do different layers. And I like the fact that I have a little drone backpack that I can fit in here as well. And then I don't have to worry about struggling with a backpack any longer. I can just throw it in here, and then everything zips nice and secure, ready to go. And it's all in one travel case. But anyway, Brian from Garage Mahal, thanks for watching, and be safe out there.